Thank you for joining me for my first workshop for Fancy Dog Sports Academy, how to transform a trigger into a cue. It's a big idea, but I hope to give you some practical information in this recording. But in this workshop, I want to take a look at if we say that the reactive behaviors we're seeing, like in that little white dog, are not simple reflexes, they're learned habits. We can have a way in that goes beyond. So you're only going to transfer a cue that is functional, that works. And as we know, you don't really train up a cue and put it on the shelf and go, whew, done with that, and tick it off your to-do list. We really have to do micro habits to get started. I'm letting him take a look at the environment, notice the dog, and the dog is the cue for him to touch my fist. Your homework is choose your replacement behavior, right? Be thoughtful about what you want the behavior to be.